everyone, this is Eliza from the Down Home team, and I'm here with Farrah and Hammy's Ultra Bernedoodles. We wanted to do an update today in a YouTube video to show you how fast they're growing. These guys are going to be beautiful babies. We've named these Bonnie and Clyde. The one I'm holding is Miss Bonnie, and she is the tri-colored pup of the litter. Bring it closer to the camera. Hello, Miss Bonnie. These guys average about 50 to 70 pounds full grown. Typically about 60 pounds is the average. And this one's Mr. Clyde. He's got the cutest little face ever. Look at that little face. And he's kind of an Oreo Merle. He's got some black spots throughout his coat. They got their first bath today. They did great. And their personalities are already starting to show. They're already pretty friendly. Bonnie's a little more adventurous at this point, and Clyde is still figuring everything out. They're only about 4 weeks old right now, so they're just still such small little babies. But we wanted to show you them. They're doing awesome. Thank you guys for watching.